Ladies, do I have the tool for you? It's a 4-in-1. This is going to give you a salon style blowout. I am so excited. I researched, I found it. I am going to demonstrate it with the products I use. I feel like myself again. And ladies, let's get this beauty started. All right, so I have on my microfiber towel, which is the only thing I will put my hair in because of less damage, less pulling, less breakage. So I've been using this forever. And I'm going to show you, because you know that going to Dry Bar every week has spoiled me and getting a beautiful blowout for my photo shoots, for HSN, for my videos here. I'm like so dying. So I thought the other day, I have to figure out how I can do this at home, how I can get by. So I'm gonna show you the products that I use for my blowout. I found a really cool blow dry brush. And it was not expensive. And the reason why I picked this one, it was $55, and it's a 4-in-1 interchangeable hair dryer brush. This is from, I don't know, your Raka. Drying, straightening, curling, volumizing in one step. So I thought to myself, I didn't want one that had, like, there's a ton of different like blowout brushes on the market. There's some that are very expensive. There's some that are very cheap. And there's some that you have to have the right head. I had one that was more of like this oval kind of, it was too big. I gave it to my mom to try. She's like, I can't get my hair around it. So this one comes with a bigger brush head like this. This is what the actual little unit looks like. This is your blow dryer. I thought it was so cute, right? And then you have two different heads that you can see my hair on him. I was testing them all out. And you know, when you have gray hair, you see it every time, right? So you have two different ones here. If you have shorter hair, if you have bangs, like I thought this was really cool for you ladies. So these two don't really work that well with my hair because I feel like my hair is a little bit too thick for these teeth. But this one, it does amazing. Now I think though this one, actually the smaller head can work with like the front part for me, but I've stuck with this. So I'm going to show you basically just when I use the little dryer to just blow my hair out a little bit to kind of get it to be not as wet. And then first and foremost, I'll show you the products and I'm going to give you some options too when it comes to products. So I have this from Kerastase. It's a blow dry cream. I really love this product. I've been using it for years. Then if I want to have a quick dry blowout serum, I purchased this recently from Dry Bar. This is called Jumpstart. This is really great. It's a quick blowout. So basically my hair is very manageable. I liked how this works with my hair. It's not heavy, it's not greasy. Then I have also the Hot Toddy from Dry Bar. This is going to be a heat protectant mist. I really like this. I love the smell of Dry Bar products. So I have this. This is my travel one when I'm traveling, but I just grabbed that. Then I have a volumizer. This is from Fido. It is a volumizing spray for fine hair leave-in. So I thought this was a really great thing to show you too. If you have thinner hair and you want volume, this is a really great product. I love Fido. I have been using Fido since my early 20s. They're a French line, botanical. And they have two other products too. Fido 7, this is a very, very, very famous product. This is a hydrating day cream with 7 plant extracts, dry hair. Really great if you have dry hair and you're gonna be blow drying your hair, nice moisture. And then this is botanical, unruly, frizzy, and rebellious hair. This is a straightening balm. So you know that this is what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to use a little balm in my hair. I never put anything at the roots of my hair because I don't want to weigh down. I just go basically mid to the ends. And this feels so great. It's not greasy. It's not heavy. So I'm putting the balm in my hair. My big problem with the gray is having, you know, well, also this is cut shorter, but having the frizzies underneath and the frizzies on the side. So we're gonna just see what happens with this. I'll put the balm on these little crazies and then we're gonna go for it. Heat protectant. So you have the option of low, middle, or high for the amount of heat that comes out. So I basically will just take this off. You push this little button down and twist it off. So I'm gonna take that off, put on the round brush, and wait until it clicks into place. It's locked now. And then, whoops, I'm going to use a clip. I separate my hair. It's the easiest thing to be able to do. So I'm gonna just separate my hair, clip it up, and I start with the bottom. This is what is my main focus, that I really need to get this laying properly for everything else to lay properly. I'm using it on the highest setting because I feel like I need that amount of heat. So you can see halfway through, I'm getting really nice volume. I'm getting, you know, forget the frizziness right now because I have to put balms in my hair anyway. This happens at dry bar too. My hair definitely just has a little bit more of that gray frizzy. That's fine. But I'm really loving how I'm getting that in really not a lot of time. This is what's really nice about this, is that I'm getting that nice curving, that volume is really looking polished. All right, so I'm on my last section. So you can see I have to section out my hair. And even though I have the frizzing balm in my hair, I have to just go through it again and really tame down anything that gets a little, you know, gets a little frizzy. It's just the nature of my hair. But I'm going to separate this piece into like the last 3 sections and then finish off with some finishing spray. And I just think that this is so beautiful and so fast compared to using a brush and then holding the blow dryer. I like holding one thing. I don't like, it's very hard sometimes to really get with a bob when you're holding the brush and then the blow dryer, whatever. I love that it's just one. So I'm gonna finish up now. So, what do you think? I mean, talk about easy, simple. I have one arm that has to be doing the work, not 2 arms. I honestly am so thrilled that I have like a substitute while I'm at home, and I can feel like every time I come out of the bathroom and I do this, I'm like, babe, what do you think? Does it look like I went to the salon? He's like, it looks so good. I'm like, I know, I feel like myself. I feel like my old normal, right? So that is something that to be very excited about. So I'm gonna show you what I do post blowout. So to help my scalp and my hair and to really be feeding my scalp just like I do my skin, I have 2 different serums that I rotate back and forth with. This is a fortifying hair and scalp serum from Better Not Younger. It's called Superpower, Really nice, not oily, not greasy. It's just a beautiful serum to help with your hair follicles, the strengthening of your hair. And then also there's Kerastase serum. This is also a scalp and hair serum. So this is something that I would do basically, smells so good. I just, part my hair and I'll put a little bit of the serum, rub it into the scalp. I do that every day. So that's something that really helps with my scalp health. I really just work it in, and I do it kind of like with my morning routine. And then something that I really started liking, I don't really use hairspray that much. I try not to use that much product, but I do love the sparkling soda, the Shine Mist from Drybar. So I will basically just mist on this on my hair so I keep the nice shine, and I'm not weighing it down with lots of hairspray. I don't need hairspray right now when I'm staying at home, but it smells so good. So I have like a nice shine serum. I'm giving my hair really nice fortifying serums in my scalp to really just help my hair and the health of my hair. But for a DIY at home salon blowout, I think this gets an A+. I love it. I'll link the link below to Amazon where I bought it from. And ladies, until my next video, I'll see you later.